Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak iOS 14.6 on all iOS devices. This is 100% untethered, guys. No computer is required for this at all. It's super easy to do, so let me just show you guys. The Cydia app is fully functional. It's 100% working. It is flawless. And like I said, it is working on all iOS devices, all iOS versions as well. So if you're on 14.5.1, it'll work as well. So don't worry about that. It's working on all iOS versions from iOS 13 and up. Okay, so guys. So I'm on my iPhone 12 right now, and like I said, it is working flawlessly. It's fully functional. I'll show you guys in a bit here that it's working on my XS as well, also running 14.6. Guys, this jailbreak for iOS 14.6 is unbelievable, guys. It's awesome. Like I said, it is working flawlessly with no issues whatsoever. So I just want to show you guys quick. I am on iOS 14.6, so let me just pop open my settings and show you. As you can see, I'm on an iPhone 12 running 14.6. Okay, guys. Like I said, this jailbreak is flawless. This is the only way how to jailbreak iOS 14.6, no computer, untethered. Okay, guys, so let me show you guys. It's also working on my XS, so I'll just pop that open for you guys as well. So here we go, guys. So check this out. Okay, so as you guys can see, got it on my iPhone XS as well, working flawlessly. And this device obviously is on 14.6 as well. Like I said, guys, this is the only way to get Cydia on your iOS 14.6 device right now with no computer, and like I said, untethered and all that stuff that I know of. It literally takes 2 minutes of your time, and I will show you guys how easy and how simple it is. So just follow along with me, okay? So let's get started, all right? So let me just put this down. And okay, so first thing you guys want to do is pop open Safari, okay? Make sure you're doing this on Safari. It only works on Safari, okay? So once you get Safari open, just go to the website apphacks.co/Cydia, okay? There's the website, guys, apphacks.co/Cydia. Just get that typed into your browser, and so basically from here on, we're going to download the Cydia installer profile, and I'll walk you guys through the rest of the steps from there, okay? So just go ahead and click the go button once you guys get that typed in. And so we'll just wait for that, give it a sec. Okay, so it's just going to say this website's trying to download a profile. Just go ahead and click the allow button, click close. Then you want to pop open your settings, and so it should say profile downloaded right here. So just go ahead and click profile downloaded, click install. So right now I'm just basically updating my Cydia installer profile, but like I said, I will show you guys how to complete the installation very easily, okay? So as you guys can see, I just updated it, so here it is again. So right now, since I just updated it, it's in sandbox mode, and to get it out of sandbox mode, you simply just click on any of the features here. So just click on manage account, okay, and now it's going to say installation required. So you simply just click the start installation button. Once you click the start installation button, it's going to take you to the installation wizard. Now from there, you simply just have to install install 2 apps and to complete their exact instructions, and then the files for Cydia will be transferred over to the device, because basically the developers hid the files for Cydia within these apps on the App Store, and when you install them and complete their exact instructions, it initiates a break in the code which begins transferring the files for the iOS 14.6 jailbreak over to your device. Okay, guys, it's really that easy. So basically within 30 minutes of completing the installation properly, the Cydia will reload back to the original screen I showed you with all the features working, and your device will be jailbroken, okay? Guys, if it's not working within 30 minutes, you did something wrong, you need to install more apps, complete their exact instructions, and just be very patient with it, guys. I honestly recommend installing all the apps on the installation wizard so you don't have to go back and, go do it again. So guys, honestly, just install all of the apps, do exactly what their instructions say, take your time, be patient, and your device will be jailbroken, guys. So that's how to jailbreak iOS 14.6 on all iOS devices. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.